Trăng bạc cái jalau Conrad cái sang mau la plem tak sngi ka kawai trik e yong ajal penriu ya kanabon memorial home wa jakasa ki wala Tymmen ka batay da ka jinya seng kentay shilong rilum presbytery ha mauyong rim shilong ha bakran na kani sngi trang ba ong ba kani ka ying jong ki wala Tymmen ka belajar hadin ke long kemi Khasi ki Nyngkong ban kela Khristan kadai ka badon jingmut shisha long ba kani ka ba om tang ka jing pediang ya ka jing long Khristan hanai ka jing im hak lenti jong ka jing long Khristan man ka sngi ka ba phalang ka duro jong ka jing syakri ba ka jing Christian ya ka badon kam bat kani ka dei ka nong rim ba kong san jong ka jing long Khristan ba phalang hak ni ka ying ba ka jing tai ka ba ple hak ka juk ka pol ong ba soka ka dak pen kre ro ban te ya ka jakasa ka ba Tymmen haman ki jaka hak ka jella ula ong ba ki akan wadi senta kilong ki bakong san ma ya ka roi ka pa jong ki khana bat ha commission 1000 days ka bala pelaj ka soka ki akan wadi senta kin long kum ka jingking ha padang ki khana bat ki bala Tymmen ha ka ni ka sngim tang ba awa pen benaru ba ajing arab option lak tangka na ka chief minister special development fund shakanabon memorial home
Noble cause and this very noble project. I thank God Almighty for having given me this opportunity to be here with all of you. And this is such an appropriate occasion to remember that, because the name lives on, the legacy lives on. Today, naming this particular memorial home in the name of Carnarvon is truly appropriate and truly meaningful. Being the first Christian among the Khasis reflects not just the acceptance of Christianity as a religion, but also living and making the way of Christian life to be part of your day-to-day life. I think that is what naming this after Carnarvon as Nabon Memorial Home is, I think, where the meaning lies. Because for us as Christians, I'm not a reverend, not a pastor, not a father, so I'm not preaching. I'm just speaking from my heart. Is that I've always believed that we just should not be, of course, we need to pray, we need to attend service, but Christianity isn't part of our daily lives. And naming this memorial after Carnarvon, as I said, is reflecting the values of Christianity, of service to people, of being kind to people who need support and who need help. And I think this basic aspect of Christianity is reflected not just in this building, but also in how you have decided to name this particular memorial home. So I must